Thank you for coming. And please, let's maintain peace overall.
You know I'm a peace loving person.
Maintain peace overall.
I've never started a war.
In the calm of the patriotic lake, Uganda, who arguably the future of Uganda's leadership, Frank Gashumba was summoned one day ago to appear before disciplinary committee of the PLU, that is under leadership of Kainerugaba. This was done by one personnel in the PLU by the name Mawanda. Mawanda summoned Frank Gashumba over allegation of a post which they interpreted that he criticized General Muhoozi, who is also the Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda.
Gutulaba nti waiseewo.
Naiseewo ndi. By the way, ani ampimira wenyino komo. Eri jogo lya mwe komieri. Ani ampimira wenyino komo. Ebbanga limaze ku nsiri eddene lyensigazaayo lyettono. Ekyo nakyo njala kikubuulira. Ekirala Kongo abamu ku ffe situjogebwa. Situjogebwa.
Aje?
Situjogebwa. Ani ambula wenyino komo. Mwasoma kife betwagwa mumbuulire nga mwe mutusalirawo tulina koma wano.
Ajja kuyita bakubuuza akana n'akataala.
So mupita oti.
Abadde ndaba kifaananyi kya General MK mukama.
Sijoyiningangako PLU kubeera mu keegi.
Say that again?
Sijoyiningangako PLU kubeera mu keegi, kubeera keegi. Ni bwe ndaba. Bweba okujoyininga PLU nti nina kubeera mu keegi ng'empologoma ensibiremu nja givaamu. Mbere ne libate.
Yakuva mu PLU isi.
Nkugambye bweba okubeera mu PLU nga ngenda kubeera mu kikeegi nga ndi musibe nja givaamu. Gwe temumanyi nze bwe njagala MKM. Temukimanyi. Ebimusiza byogera ku mpewo wano. Nze omu ku bantu abatono General MK buli lwali nnyo ennyonyi amusabira atuuke bulungi. Abasirikale be ina saako bayinza okigamba. Nze omu abataagala General MK okutambulira mu nnyonyi. Kuba ke kabiriiti ke tusigazza. Kemanya akasolo kununula eggwanga lino. Yekka ye muntu ayinza okuzza sanity in this country. Do you know why? Kubanga ina mikwano gy'abali across.
So
can someone lecture me on MK how to love MK and support him? Do you know how many sacrifices I've made in line of MK? Omanye milimo, omanyi business zenfiiriddwa, omanye mikwano gyenfiiriddwa olw'okuba mpagira MK. Ekirala nze nalondebwa omuntu ali ogwo ye General MK. N'ekirala sijoyiningangako okuwagira Muhoozi nga nsuubira nti ali nnonda.
So you can stay, you can still live without it.
Nali kufaamu e Masaka nga ndi mu kulunda nte. Munnange yankubira simu nga ngamba nti nno tukujagulizaako ku kinali manyi banonze kuba prime minister. Ontegera ndowooza. Me! Ha!
Kanto wazibyo bigenda kuleta bizu mwami Gashumba. Because bwe nalebye comments abamu ku banno bwe muli mu PLU towards that post n'entya nga mwami Gashumba tagenda bwatyo.
Ogenda wa? Nze okujjako ngongo bye mu Uganda muno banga onganya ogenda e Masaka. Ebintu ebibiri ebiyinza okunnuma. Bino byempulya gundi bamuganya ogenda mu America e London njagala yoki. Njagala yoki. Omanyi risks kankubule. Tereza kamera eyo. Isma all access. Yattibwa. According to the forensic experts by Uganda police, pistol eyatta Isma yalese Bugingo. Pastor Bugingo. According ku baasasini zaabo banoonya Gashumba baramwandi Bugingo. Ng'omusago twaza ogumanyi ku supporting General MK. Mb'omusago twaza mu nobody has branded General MK like us. Yes. Gojita picnic okubeera mu PLU. You think it's a holiday?
I don't people enjoy.
To enjoy ngachi. Ndagaye moloke nene jenyina eriyempereddwa mu PLU. Ndagaye office enene jenyina mu PLU nti eri wano yebampa. Ndagaye jenywa amafuta tiga PLU. Ndayiranga nti Allah njagala omuntu ajja wana ndage nti aba PLU y'amafuta muganywa wano. Ene moloka yekuweebwa. Mwe muloza tuli mu holiday. Fetu defending government eno abeyagala be banene mu government.
Anye?
Fetu defending omanyika tusanze ne challenge otuuka ku mukolo nga benale mwe bagujjuddeko ng'olina okwogera official position ya government naye ng'ojjidde mu mmotoka yo osuze mu hoteri gw'ogisasudde. Do you know the pain we are going through?
Abulumi bu.
Yes, ndagayo emmotoka nti obadde abo kabini
ojjidde mu yiyo
oba Land Cruiser yiyo ndagayo nti Gashumba amafuta aganywa wano.
Honorable Balaam, who is also a right hand to General Muhoozi, intervened and requested Frank Gashumba to let peace prevail on a table, and then Frank expressed his anger that he doesn't want to be intimidated and he also wants peace, but he also emphasizes that those kind of summons are not good. His most anger goes to publicizing the summon. He wanted the summon to be done secretly without involving the public, and so he also accepted that, yeah, let peace reign.
So I invite my brother to come and we meet in this room and we talk about what is happening. And I want to inform you, members of the public and all our supporters, we should not tolerate any form of disrespect, any form of indiscipline, any form of carelessness. Let us love one another mutually. We should have respect for one another. So I've agreed with Franca, without elaborating further, to cease fire. So we should not fight. We are one family. And I've quoted for him one popular quote that I always want him to understand. Abraham Lincoln, one of the best American presidents ever, had this to say: I'm not bound to win, but I'm bound to be a true. I am not bound to succeed, but I'm bound to live by the light that I have. And I also reminded him that the same Abraham Lincoln quoted, the best thing about the future, it comes one day at a time. So good times are coming ahead. Let him not respond to petty fights. Let him not start them and let him not participate in them. Let us focus in the bigger picture. It is Museveni now, the biggest picture, and General was next as our biggest picture. So let's give up on all petty fights. I want him to confirm that he's not going to respond to any petty fight anymore.
Yeah, I'm ready to respond, but it's important that that team too, you also tell them. You get it, my brother? It's 10:30 p.m. It's a Tuesday night. I'm supposed to be home, but we are here because we love General MK. I never started this. Chairman Toyota called me that can we have a meeting? I said fine, let's meet on Wednesday at 4 p.m. You get it? Today the entire social media was flooded by letter summoning me. I had no option but to respond. But I can assure you, my brother Balaam, this is it. This is it. I'm not going to respond to any social media attack. I'm not going to respond.
So let's end that. I don't want to mention and quote names. I'll reach out one by one. As leaders, we must promote tolerance and we must be a guide to one another. To you, our supporters, stop sharing negative energy. Let's focus on positive energy. I wish you a very good night. And Frank Gashumba, thank you for coming. And please, let's maintain peace over all.
You know I'm a peace loving person.
Maintain peace over all.
I've never started a war.